A very warm welcome to all. In today's lecture, we will going to learn about what is the Pelton turbine function, what is the numerical based on Pelton turbine, how to calculate the work done by Pelton turbine, what is the efficiency of the Pelton turbine. We have discussed in last lecture how can find the efficiency, hydraulic efficiency of the Pelton turbine and what is the velocity triangle of the Pelton turbine. So today I will start a numerical, it's very important numerical on Pelton turbine. Okay, so see carefully. First of all, a Pelton wheel has a mean bucket speed of this, okay, 10 meter per second with a jet of water flowing at the rate of 700 liter per second under a head of 30 meter. Okay, the buckets deflect the jet through an angle of 160. Calculate the power given by water to the runner and the hydraulic efficiency of the turbine. Okay, CV मेरे को क्या है गिवन है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देख लीजिए क्या है गिवन डेटा. तो सॉल्यूशन गिवन डेटा में क्या है मेरे पास में, गिवन डेटा मीन्स गिवन डेटा क्या है मेरे पास में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल है मेरे पास में बकेट्स स्पीड, व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ बकेट्स. तो बकेट स्पीड है मेरे पास में यू कैन राइट यू इज इक्वल टू U1 इज इक्वल टू U2 इज इक्वल टू मेरे पास क्या हो जाएगा 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके, तो ये U इज इक्वल टू U1 इज इक्वल टू U2 मीन्स we have already discussed in the last diagram what is the velocity triangle. Okay, how can equal the U is equal to U1 equal to U2. Okay, so try to understand in the derivation. So after that, with a jet of water flowing at a rate of 700 liter per second, it means the rate है, ये क्या है मेरे पास में रेट है, रेट मीन्स Q is equal to 700 liter per second. तो we can convert in meter cube per second, तो 0.7 meter cube per second, no problem. Okay, then head, what is the head is equal to H a head 30 meter. Then the buckets deflect the jet through an angle है मेरे पास में, एंगल हो जाएगा, एंगल है मेरे पास में 160 डिग्री. ओके, कैलकुलेट द पावर गिवन बाय वाटर टू द रनर एंड द हाइड्रोलिक इफिशियंसी. पावर मीन्स वी कैन से पावर मीन्स वर्क डन, हाउ मच वर्क डन बाय द Pelton turbine, I mean say that. Okay, power we can already discuss in the last derivation what is the relation between the power and the work done. Okay, so try to understand. So this is the power and the CV. What is the CV? CV is the coefficient of velocity. तो CV is equal to मेरे पास 0.98. Okay, so this is the given data. Now the velocity of jet, we can write the velocity of jet V1. Okay, velocity of jet V1, we can draw a diagram just like that. See here, this is a Pelton turbine, this is a jet from this side, and this is a velocity triangle you can see. Okay, V1 is equal to VW1, you can see here, and this one is VR1 and U1 you can write here. Okay, VF2, VR2 you can write V2. Okay, VW2. Okay, and here is U2. Okay, so this is the velocity triangle. Okay, try to understand the velocity triangle. Without velocity triangle you are not able to calculate the efficiency, what is the work done by Pelton turbine. Okay, first of all you need to know what is the velocity triangle of the Pelton wheel turbine. So V1 is equal to we can write V1 is equal to 0 point, I mean say that CV under root 2GH. So we have value of the C1 to 0.98, okay, under root 2 into में 9.81, okay, and H 30. So just calculate, I calculate. So this one 9.8, 0.98 in the root. So this one, the value of this is 23.77 meter per second. This is the value of V1. This is the velocity of jet. Velocity of jet, you can also write velocity of jet. Okay. Next, angle given. This is the deflection angle. This angle. You can say this one, this angle. This is the phi actually. Okay. So this one and this one. Okay. So we can write phi is equal to 180 minus 160. So this one 20 degree. Okay. Then we know VR1 from the triangle, from the velocity triangle, VR1 is equal to V1 minus का U1 from this. Okay. So we can write V1, what is the V1? V1 is 23.77 minus U1. U1 is the 10. U1 is 10. Okay. So this one is 13.77 meter per second. Okay. If you have any doubts, any query, so please call me. You can call me. You can call. Okay. Then VW1, we know VW1 is equal to V1. We know VW1 is equal to V1. No problem. Okay, we have discussed already. Then, so what is the value of that? VW1 is equal to V1. We have V1 value, this one. Okay. So from velocity triangle outlet, see here the velocity triangle at outlet. So we have what is the value of VR2? So VR2 will be VR1 because this is smooth. This one is smooth. Okay. So the velocity at inlet is equal to the velocity of at outlet. Okay. This is the relative velocity of the turbine, Pelton turbine. Okay. So this one VR2 is equal to VR1. So this one 13.77 meter per second. You can see here. Okay. Then from this diagram, this velocity triangle, VW2, we can write VW2 is equal to VR2 cos phi minus phi U2. Okay. So write down the value of VR2. So 13.77 cos 20 minus cut 10 is equal to 2.94 meter per second. Okay. So this one. Now work done. Now work done per second is equal to rho a V1. Okay. This is the formula actually. VW1 plus VW2 into me U. Okay. F is F, work done F into me U. This is the value of F. This is the net force on the buckets. Okay. So is equal to, we can put the value in this row. We know 1000 into 0.97. This is the discharge. This is the discharge na. Q is equal to, we can write a V1. You can write here. Okay. This is the discharge value. तो ये दिस वन मेरे पास में, ये मैंने डिस्चार्ज यहाँ पे पुट कर दिया वैल्यू. ठीक है. तो तो VW1 23.77 plus 2.94 okay into में 10. So this one the value may will be 18697 if I am not wrong. 1 second, I checked everything is okay or not. Yes, everything is okay. You can also take 7, okay, here 700, okay, no problem. Then power given to turbine. Power, what is the power? So power given to turbine is equal to this work done upon में 1000. We can convert in kilowatt ना, तो 186,970 upon में 1000 into 186.97 kilowatt. Okay, so this value may be near approximately 187. Okay, so no problem, you can take. So this one, so this is the unit, right? Also meter Newton second. We have already discussed how can calculate the unit of work done, okay, in last lecture. Newton meter per second, how can calculate? So remember this. So hydraulic efficiency, what is the hydraulic efficiency? Hydraulic efficiency is equal to eta H to VW1. This is the formula of the hydraulic efficiency. Runner power upon में water power. VW2 into में U upon में V1 का square. तो put the value is 2 into में 23.77 plus का 2.94 into में 10 into में 10 sorry into में 10. You can also write 100 if you want to calculate efficiency in percentage. Okay, so 23.77 into में 23.77, so up into में 100. So this one the value will be, 1 second, just a wait, this 1 2 into में this into में 10.